Right, guys, welcome to the Sunday tool tour round Lidl, and we're at Langley Mill in Derbyshire. And at the end, I actually buy something from here, so make sure you watch right up until the end, and I'll show you what I got. And I highly say you should go out and get one too. So these here again, these were in sort of last week. There is a few new bits and pieces in here from last week. These combination spanner sets look decent quality, more sort of decorating sort of bits. There's an angle grinder there, and look at the state of the box, but it's there, $34.99 with the little app. There only seem to be one left there though. What I would say, guys, is if you see these, get down to your local Lidl fast, because you're getting like a lot of the guys that are going in buying loads of these, and they're putting them on the social media platforms, and in some cases charging double and sometimes more for them. So, whether you agree with that, whether you don't, it's not for me to argue, but get down to your local Lidl so you can get them before you see them on eBay. So the big spanner set, socket set there, which was already open, by the way. Then this smaller set, which is $17.99, looks good value for money, that does. Little precision screwdriver set. These are always handy. Remote controls, spectacles, that kind of thing. Glasses, spectacles. That's an old-fashioned word, isn't it? God, I'm showing my age now, aren't I? Die and tap sets. The cordless circular saw. This is in this week. 20 volt. And that is $29.99. You can get the batteries at the checkout here in this store. I don't know what stores are like where you are. I've got this. You've seen this on my build videos, and that one. You've seen it up on my wall. They are good. They're very, very good value for money, then. The digital caliper there. This is the metal version one. I bought a plastic one of these a couple of weeks back, which is okay. And there's all your battery prices, charger prices, that kind of thing. So they've still got like a lot of these magnetic trays in. A lot of guys in the comments last week were saying their Lidl hasn't got like a lot of stock in. If that's the case, name and shame them in the comments, your Lidl store, and I'll try and get Lidl to sort of have a look at these videos to find out why, because I find it a bit odd, because it's got quite a big following, this Parkside stuff. These look really good value for money, and I was so tempted to get one. They're like them lightweight sort of G-lay type things. And here again, these trousers, these are back in this week, and the quality is really good. You can go out and pay sort of triple the money for a pair of work trousers when these are just as good. And this looks nice as well. I was quite sort of shocked by the quality. I know I've ripped into the socks and the hats at times, but, credit where credit's due. If it saves you a few quid and all that. These big, long guide rails here. More of these. I have got one of them as well, but in the inside of me, like inside section of my workshop where I store all my tools. Really good again, worth the money. So the cordless angle impact wrench, $29.99. And then there was no price on the welding shields, but the little goggles, that was there by accident. I did find the proper things here. These glasses, gas welding safety glasses, $2.99 with a little app. Whether you get the little app or not, it's up to you. Some people don't like having apps and all that, I can understand. 20 volt cordless belt sander. It looks a nice bit of kit, that does, to be honest. $32.99, $34.99 without the app. Then more sort of disc grinding, discs, that kind of thing. Always good to have a few in it, and hook and loop, sanding pads, all that kind of thing. There was loads of different bits and pieces there. So little cordless nail gun tacker, 20 volt. Any of you guys got any of these in, please leave in the comments. Let us all know what they're like. Other people can see the comments and make a judgment on whether to go out and get something like this. Cordless drill driver, $34.99. Pencils, bits and pieces there. Little sort of torpedo level. Little hand tools, snips, pliers, that kind of thing. Always handy just to put in your toolbox if you just got a quick DIY toolbox for the house. These look alright. $8.99. Cordless work light. I don't know what they're like. I ain't got a clue what they're like. But the price is $16.99. Then you've got the flexible extension lead. $12.99. Then the flux cord wire welder. I do not know nothing about welding, but all I know is it's $69.99. Is that good value for money? Let me know. Some double-sided tapes here, carpet tapes, that kind of thing. 3M, good brand, $1.49. Hammer drill, corded, $17.99. Get you going. Heat gun, $10.99 with a little lap. Some various sprays in. Anti-Martin spray. What's that for? I don't know what that is. Anti-Martin spray. I'm struggling to sort of... If you feel a bit seasick, guys, and do apologise, I'm one-handed doing this. Various bits for tiling there, that kind of thing. For painting and decorating as well, $1.99. Rivet tool thing. Rivet nut tool. More of these soft shell jackets. $12.99. Decent quality, honestly. Small parts assortment, 99p, like little bolts and heat shrink wraps and plugs and that kind of thing. Rivets. And they had these bigger sets here, various small parts. They were $2.99. The carabiner clips, $2.99. Really low on them now. More drill bits. And, you know, the screws there, chipboard screws. Really low on them, so get in while you can. Ivy's sort of jackets there, $13.99. Paint spray gun. I've got one to test a spray gun, but it's not from this brand. It'll be on Thinger. And the big sort of wrenches there. So, guys, make sure you watch to the end to see what I bought. And here's Shelley saying bye-bye. Let's see. Right, guys, I'm back from a trip to Lidl this morning, and what did I buy? Well, I'm wearing it. Bought one of these sort of soft shell jackets. They were in there, $12.99. They look decent quality, and you know me, I've been sort of taking the rip out of Parkside sort of clothing and all that. The work trousers that were in there, I didn't buy any, but the quality was really good. So I thought I'd buy one of these. It's got pockets all over, windproof, water repellent. It's got like an inside pocket and zip up, two zip up side pockets down here. And one pocket here. I've got something else there. It's got the Parkside badge on it, but I don't mind that. And it fits really well. It's a nice size. So I'm a double XL, and I'm sort of a big double XL as well. I mean, I wouldn't have got in this sort of 6 months ago. I wouldn't have got in a 3XL, to be perfectly honest with you. But now I can get in, sort of, because I've lost a bit of weight, I can get in these. And this fits really nice. So that's what I bought, $12.99. These are good value for money. I can vouch for it. I paid for it off my own money. So if you see them, make sure you pick one up, because they are good. And to be fair, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to watch the full build videos. They're on a Sunday evening at 5 o'clock, and everybody is welcome. See you later.